Alrighty guys, this is part number 3, the squat.
Okay, we've got our friend Josh back again. We're going to squat today. I see a lot of people squatting wrong. Okay, so fundamentals to the squat is stand up nice and straight, have your feet nice and balanced. Once again, training barefoot increases our proprioception, our awareness of body and space. Okay, he's got a nice straight spine. He's going to drop down to the squat. He's flexing at the hips and at the knees, and then he's going to bring his hips and his knees up at the same time. Bam. Flexes his bum to bring his hips in. That's our squat. Things I see people doing wrong is they'll come more onto their toes and bring their heels up off the ground. See, so if Josh just does that one more time for me. See, it makes you fall forward if you do that because your weight is coming forward. You want to get it through your hips, and then the center of the foot is going to be the alignment of where the load is. Josh comes back up. Good, and back down. Beautiful, back up. So as you can see, Josh has very good mobility, and he can actually go ass to grass, literally in this case, ass down to the grass. This is not necessary. Josh comes up just through his hips are in line with his knees. That is ample, guys. That's all you need to squat. What you don't want to be seeing is not coming all the way down, where you're just doing partials. See, Josh is not coming all the way down. He's just pumping from the quads. This is not helpful. You want to get your hamstrings involved. Get all the way down to the bottom, curl your leg, squeeze your glutes at the top. That's how we squat. You'll be much safer, and you'll be able to progress quite easy. Go in line with his feet. He's going to extend his hips and flex his butt. That's the deadlift. See how his spine is nice and straight.